Dear student, in previous lecture we discussed about definition of algorithm, what is the criteria of algorithm, various issues for writing algorithm, what is the objective of designing algorithm, design, technique of algorithm, and analysis. Now, today we will discuss the following topic. First, how to work given pseudocode. Second, how to analyze the time complexity of given pseudocode. First, we analyze the time complexity of following pseudocode. The pseudocode are given. First step, follow if j start from 2 to length of array A, and second step, array of j is stored in the form of key. In the third step, the value of I equal to j minus 1. In fourth step, while is equal to I greater while is run if the condition is true, I greater than equal to 1 and array of I greater than key. Fifth step, if condition is true, then swap the element array of I is stored in the place of array of I plus 1. Now, the value of I again decremented by 1, I minus 1. Next, the value after termination of while loop, the value of key is stored in the index array of I plus 1. Now, we will discuss how the working of this pseudocode. Consider the following elements are to be sorted in ascending order. Suppose 4, 3, 2, 1 element are sorted in the form of increasing order or ascending order. Now, the value of element 4 is stored in array index value of array of 1. Suppose the value of 3 are stored the index value of array of 2, and value of 2 is the store the index value a of 3, and 1 store the index value of 4. According to pseudocode of step first, j started from 2 to length of array of A. So for j started from 2 and total length of array of given element equal to 4. Therefore, step first start from j to 2 to length of 4. According to pseudocode step first, j start to 2, then value of key is initialized according to pseudocode of step 2. Step of 2 of algorithm, value of key assigned by array of j, and value of j equal to 2. Therefore, index value array of 2 equal to key, and array of 2 store the value of 3. According to that, array of 2 store the value of 3. According to pseudocode of step 3, value of I depend the value of j minus 1. Here j started from 2, therefore value of I 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now check the pseudocode step number 4. We check the condition is true or not. First, we check while loop. If I greater than equal to 1 and array of I greater than value of key, then while loop is executed. Here, we calculate the value of I equal to 1, therefore condition is satisfied. First condition is satisfied. And array of I means array of 1. value stored 4 and key value equal to 3, 4 is greater than 3, second condition is also satisfied, both condition is true, then while loop is executed. After the execution of the loop, we swap the element array of I to array of I to array of I plus 1. I value is already calculated I equal to 1. Therefore, array of 1 index value is stored in array of 2 index value. Means array of 1 store in array of 2 position, means array of 2 contain the value of 4 element. According to code step 6, the value of I decremented by 1, I minus 1, the value of I equal to 1, therefore now the value of I equal to 0. Now next we check the while loop condition are true or not. First condition I greater than equal to 1, but at this present time value of I equal to 0, therefore while loop condition is false and terminate the while loop. Then go to the step number 7 of given pseudocode. According to pseudocode step 7, the key value is stored in the position of array of I plus 1. Here the value of I equal to 0. Then array of 0 plus 1 is contain the value of 3. Now after the iteration of first iteration, when value j from 2 then is sorted, then find the sorted array is 3, 4, 2, 1. Means array index value 1 contain the value of 3, array index 2 contain the value of 4, array index 3 contain the value of 2, array index 4 contain the value of 1. Similarly, after the second iteration, when j equal to 3, then find sorted array is 2, 3, 4, 1. Similarly, after the third iteration, when j equal to 4, then find sorted array equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now array is sorted in the form of ascending order. Next, we analyze the time complexity of algorithm. Here we calculate the time complexity of the first step is n and cost equal to 0. Suppose for loop j started from 2 to length of array A. Suppose length of array equal to n, then for loop executed from j2 to n. Then total cost, assume total cost is C1. The total running time, total number of steps executed by the first step equal to n. How? Suppose j equal to 1, j less than equal to 2, j plus 1. Here given the only 2 value. When I equal to j equal to 1, that condition true and increment by 1. Now the j value equal to 2, then condition true and incremented by 1. If I equal to value 3, then condition false and terminate the following. जब हमारे पास 2 एलिमेंट गिवन थे तो for loop executed for 2 times for true value and 1 for false value. Therefore, for j equal to 2 to length of array n, the for loop executed for the true value n minus 1 element and 1 for executed the false value. Therefore, total running time, yeah, total number of step execution equal to n. In the second step, value of key is depend of array of j. So, value of j is executed for true value n minus 1 time. Therefore, value of key also is executed n minus 1 time. Therefore, cost assume C2, the total time running time equal to n minus 1. This is step. Third is command line, therefore cost equal to 0. Now cost equal to for 4 steps. If value of I is depend from the value of j, or j are executed in the n minus 1 time, therefore value of I also executed n minus 1 times. Now we calculate the running type of step 5. If condition is true, while loop condition is true, I greater than 0 and array of I greater than key, then j start from 2 to n time, because if value of j while loop are executed in 2 times, one for true and second for false. If j equal to 3, while loop are executed in 3 times, 2 times for true and 1 times for false. Therefore, we can write the time complexity of the step 5, 2 plus 3 plus 4 dash 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 dash. So we write the expression j equal to 2 to n of tj. And step 6 depend on the while condition. If condition is true, then while loop are executed, array of I plus 1 equal to array of I executed. So step number 6 is executed only for true value of while loop. Therefore, the total cost of this steps j equal to 2 to n tj minus 1. Now step number 7, I equal to I minus 1. It means j equal to 2 to n tj minus 1. If condition is false, the terminate the while loop, then we execute array of I plus 1 equal to value of key. It means array of I plus 1 equal to key is depend on the value of j, or j is executed n minus 1 time. Therefore, the time complexity of this step equal also is n minus 1 time. Now, we calculate time complexity of each instruction of given pseudocode. Now, total time complexity of the we add of all cost of the each instruction and find the total cost of algorithm. Now, we write Tn equal to C1 n, the time complexity of first instruction, C2 plus n minus 1 time complexity of second instruction, C4 plus n minus 1 time complexity of fourth step, C5 j equal to 2 to n tj time complexity of fifth step, C6 j equal to 2 to 9 2 to n tj minus 1 time complexity of sixth step, and C7 j equal to 2 to n tj minus 1 time complexity of seventh step, C8 n minus 1 time complexity of eighth step. Now put the value j equal to 2 to n. J means 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 dash 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 plus n. If 1 plus add and 1 minus subtract, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 dash 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 n the summation value n plus 1 by 2 minus 1, and value of j equal to 2, j minus 1 is calculated and n minus 1 by 2. These value put in the given above equation. Then we find c1 n plus c2 n minus 1, c4 n minus 1, x. Now, the solving this expression, we find n square with any constant value, n with constant value, and constant value. Then we can express this equation as a quadratic function like that an square plus bn plus c. Here, the maximum power of n is the worst case complexity of this algorithm. Maximum power of n equal to 2. Therefore, the complexity of this pseudocode in worst case is order of n square. So thank you. Today discuss how analyze the time complexity of pseudocode and how work the pseudocode. Now the next lecture we will discuss about growth of function. Thank you very much.